By the way, no fucking around or anything. And this is... Sorry, fuck. Don't take it from me, that's... These fucking idiots on this absurd, nearly impossible part of the game. You have to have these guys, like, all over the fucking road! You're given a special ability. You can now press A to speak a specific... I can't even read this. You press A to specific... Why can't I read this? Press A to speak... I can't read! Get with me. Don't stand next to it, Tweedledee and Tweedle Dickhead.